back to today's video. We moved a few vehicles around. The black FD that's been sitting here under that tree for about a year and a half is finally getting picked up. That thing's all good to go. We just cleaned it up, pieced it all together. The R34, I don't know if you saw in that clip, we actually burned through the turbo feed line. That's about the second one we did, so we're just fixing that. We got new hose going in, so hopefully that won't happen again. All goes according to plan. We may or may not even be picking up a special project car that Jeremy hasn't even told me what it's going to be. So hopefully it's going to be something cool. Hopefully today pans out. Remember, if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. I forgot an FC over there somewhere. We'll be talking about that soon. There's gonna be big plans coming for that, and you guys are actually gonna be involved helping us out build that. So stay tuned.
You hold this.
Yep. You're good.
Will explode.
Explode?
What are we doing?
Flaring the line to make our own turbo feed line.
Ah.
That's probably good there. Just doing a little test fit. Turbo kit and the HKS FCOM that was in there before, that was all done by RS Pantera in Japan. And it had a lot of really old legacy parts in it. It had a CAS track, a lap timer, like a full control box with a GPS, a strip under the car for counting laps, all sorts of really cool old tech. But nothing that was very easy to tune in today's day and age, especially compared to the stuff that exists now. So we went with a new Link ECU. We modified the wiring harness, cleaned it up, took out a lot of the old legacy stuff. There was two different boost controllers, both wired up at the same time. There was an independent fan controller. There's an LED light controller in the bumper lights, which we actually maintain. That's by Blitz. But yeah, there was a lot of old stuff all through the car. The problem is that most of it was not functioning properly anymore. And instead of spending God knows how many hours going through 20, 30-year-old components with Japanese manuals and very little support, we just went with modernizing the entire setup. Another concern was, even being that it was a track car in Japan and it had FCON and had been tuned, we had only OEM injectors on it. So we were pretty well maxed out there. The fuel pump as well was still OEM, so we were limited on power. So we went with our typical Walbro 45 and All Function Engineering's fuel step-up kit, 1700cc injectors on the secondaries and maintaining the OEM primaries. So, now it's set up pretty well.
Does this thing have two-step?
No, it's actually just ignition breakup.
Ah.
I could see what the RPM limit is. We just close the hood and just take it on the road and
You know what?
try it out quick.
Good idea. That sounds
plate here for the rear turbo, and we are going to get those studs out of there and put an oil drain fitting in here and run that up so that for our catch cam we can actually ventilate the passenger side of the crankcase. Because right now that's going to be an issue for us if we don't. Hey, that fits nicely. So we're just going to run a -6 AM, the 90 down, the hose will come out under. Actually, I might just trim this off too, because I don't have anything to hold with this anymore. I'm just looking for something usable. I don't need that extra strength, it's fine. So, probably nick that off and should be just about ready to put on. It's going to be something like that.
Yeah, this is not long enough. This barely makes it to the other end of the... It's not the movie. Actually?
Take more. Right about there is where it would go. I can go lower.
Maybe.
So AN lines are all fit up for the catch cam. Just need to gasket maker a little bit in there so it seals properly. Run the wire up, set the catch can up top, good to go. The oil feed for the turbo is remade.
Yo!
What are we doing?
We're gonna go pick up a race car! At least that's what I told my kids. Blown motor, so it's not, it's not a race car.
Yeah.
But it's really cool. From the photos it looks like really clean and we can make it into a race car. I don't want to give... John doesn't actually know what we're getting yet, so... Well, he knows what we're getting, but he doesn't know what we're going to do. The whole plan is still a secret.
We're gonna go buy a race car now though.
Yeah.
So I don't know when you guys are gonna see this live. Was it July 24th we're picking this thing up? This thing is stupid clean. Like, for a car in Winnipeg, no rust. This thing is insane.
Alright, you wanna open the window?
Doesn't work, man.
Alright, pop the hood. What do we got here?